Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Check the watch is ticking and the battery is healthy. Once done, find the crown and confirm if it screws down. Unscrew gently if needed. Pull the crown to the proper position. First click for date, second click for time. You do this because different positions engage different gears, so make sure you feel the clicks. If the crown resists, stop and recheck for a screw-down mechanism to avoid damaging the stem. You now set the time, turn the crown forward to move the hands, avoid turning backwards during the date change window, around 9 p.m. 3 a.m., because it can misalign the calendar. Make sure the minute hand lines up with the minute markers. If your watch has a hacking seconds feature, stop seconds to sync exactly to a reference time. Once aligned, push the crown in and screw it down if required, because sealing it prevents moisture and dust, which preserves accuracy. To finish, press the crown fully and screw it down to restore water resistance. Make sure the hands keep moving. If the date is wrong, advance the time by 24 hours to switch AM versus PM correctly, then reset the time. If the watch loses time or stops after setting, check the battery and confirm the crown is fully engaged. A partially pulled crown can halt movement. If problems persist, consult a watchmaker to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.